Good morning. This is a recording from Monday, July 21st. The Zen story for today is titled The Bird Who Knew the Cat's Name. The cat was napping on a temple wall, one paw dangling lazily in the sun, when the bird arrived. It wasn't a quiet bird. It wasn't a polite one either. It landed with a squawk so sharp it took a cherry blossom loose. Akira! It shouted. The cat's ear twitched. Akira! The bird cried again, hopping closer. Isn't that your name? The cat opened one eye. It did not recognize the name. But the eye blinked once, slowly. Thought so, the bird said, puffing its feathers proudly. Names stick to creatures like leaves stick to wind. The cat stood up and stretched. It circled once, then twice, and lay down again. You are ignoring me, the bird observed. The cat said nothing. Well, I suppose it doesn't matter, the bird went on. Everyone has a name. Yours is just the kind that purrs when you forget it. The cat yawned. Would you like to know mine? Asked the bird, tilting its head. The cat stared. The bird ruffled its wings. No? Well, fair enough. It hopped once and then flew up, circling the temple roof. Just as it vanished beyond the eaves, it called, Akira! The cat watched the sky alone after the bird was gone. Then it turned, walked to the garden gate, and paused beside the stone. Scratched faintly on its surface was a word the cat couldn't read, but for some reason it stayed there a long time. Take a comfortable position and take a moment to settle, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. Who are you when you stop answering to your name? Who are you when you stop answering to your name? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Who are you when you stop answering to your name? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.